Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a high puff with laid edges. This is a super cute and easy style that you can get in minutes. So if you're interested in how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So first I started out with a 4-day-old twist out, and for the best results I'd recommend that you do this hairstyle when your hair is getting frizzy so that you can have the maximum amount of volume. Right now I'm just spraying water around the perimeter of my head so that when I start to brush my hair, the brush glides smoothly through my hair. Now I'm going in with my favorite gel in the world, the Olive Oil Eco Styler Gel, and applying it to the perimeter of my hair. So to actually make the puff, I'm going to be using a stocking because it's stretchy and I can tie it to make my puff as tight or as loose as I wanted. I've heard of people using shoelaces and hair ties, but I use a stocking because it gives me the best results. After I get my puff as high as I want it, I secure the stocking by tying it around the puff 3 to 4 times. To tuck the ends of the stocking, I hide them under my hair and secure them with a bobby pin or a hairpin. Now I'm going back in with the Eco Style Gel to start laying my edges. And then I grab my trusty dusty hair toothbrush and start making swoops. This part is very simple and self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let y'all watch. And after I'm done laying my edges, I add some finishing touches, and here's the simple but cute high puff. Alright y'all, so that concludes my high puff tutorial. I hope y'all loved it because it's literally my go-to style, y'all. I do this style all the time for those days where my hair is getting old. For example, now because this is a old twist out, or when I'm feeling kind of lazy and I want something cute, sleek, and voluminous. So yeah. If you're interested in seeing more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I want y'all to comment down below what's your favorite go-to hairstyle. Whether it's the 2 puffs, a high puff like this, a sleek little ponytail, whatever you like, let me know because I want to know what y'all be rocking on daily too. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.